This video gave me 2,470 views and also gave me 84 subscribers. As you can see, I'm right now on the channel proper. So how did I end up with this amount of views for a very new channel? Well, it didn't just happen automatically, but there are things I noticed and there are efforts that I put in that helped me to come to this far. Now, let me explain so that you can also try this and push your videos, and you can also have a good number of subscribers as well. Now, what did I do? I posted this video one night, and by the time I woke up the next morning, I noticed that it has about 1,500 something views. So I was worried because that time most of my videos were stuck at that level. All right, this is actually my gym video, all right, for my gym channel. So I noticed that it's stuck at that, that 1,000, 2,000 views level. So I was worried. What I did is I went to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT, please. So I went to ChatGPT and asked it to help me to understand why I am stuck at this number of views and what I can do about it. So my ChatGPT now told me that if I want to increase the views, look at the things I should do. Basically, on this video right now, I will just ask same question and then you can see the response. All right, so let's learn together. You just work with me. So it is not just something you just relax when your videos are not going viral. You can do something about this actually. Views are stuck at I have a video I posted last night. It is currently 1,500 views with 5 subscribers, right? Alright, so let's go now. Alright, so now follow along. My views are stuck at 1,500 2K zone. I have a video that I posted last night. It's currently 1,500 views with 5 subscribers. How can I push the video to go viral and break this zone? Let's see the response. Okay. Now see. Okay. So I'm waiting to see the solution. Good. How to break out. Do this today. Edit and re-upload. Don't be emotional. Color slow pass. Start with the most rugged movements. Alright. Alright. So viral creators report the same idea 3 to 5 times until it hits. Alright. Now use a stronger hook. Okay. First engagement. Alright. So now basically I've seen some of the points. Now let me explain what I actually did. So it is more natural. Alright. So you don't say this is AI, this is just AI, telling you to do things. But let me tell you what I did personally. After you gave me an idea, this idea it has given us now is a little bit different from what you gave me, but it's almost the same. Now, what I did was, after I asked that question, and with the response that they gave me, so I went back to the video and edit the caption, all right, the SEO title. I added something more sparking, something more catchy here, so that will be more engaging, all right. So I tweaked the caption a bit. Then I also went to the description and it did some hashtags, added some, removed some that I think that will be more engaging, you understand, like some SEO hashtags, all right. So that's what I did. Then I also came to the comment section and asked people to share if they love this video, all right, to share. And then I asked some questions, you understand, added some comments to spark engagement. And this first engagement, and you see that the video now got more shares and more likes. And now let me tell you this. You see, 90 shares. The more people share a video, the more that video will go viral. Now, what this basically means is that this person is reposting your video, right? Reposting your video. So when that person reposts your video, others who watch that video now will likely subscribe, watch. If they decide to also share, that's multiple help to you, all right, and that sparks more engagement, all right. So this is how I was able to push this video. I did not just stop. And notice this, I did not just stop that day. As the video was going viral, this video lasted like it did well for like a week. And so as the video was pulling in source, going viral, having more views, I was also like tweaking, adding more comments. Like sometimes I would say, thank you guys, this video just gave us 70 subscribers. Let's keep pushing, let's keep sharing, guys. Yes, something like that. And it kept bringing in people. All right. So that was how I was able to push this particular video and it went viral. And let me show you the next video. Now, this is the next video now that did better in terms of subscribers, but didn't do so well in terms of view. But I'm not bothered one bit. You understand? I'm not bothered that the views are low. I'm happy because eventually I got more subscribers. This is the main thing. We don't just want views, we want subscribers, we want shares, we want likes, right? Now, if your video is having likes and shares, like I told you, then it's definitely going to go viral, all right? And if it's having comment, that's a big plus to you. All these things are what triggers the algorithm to keep pushing your videos. So now, this particular video got, I think, like 2K views, and then I started doing exactly what I did on the other video. I started from experience. I did what I did on that video, and that was how the video kept going for about up to a week before the stopped going. Yeah. So this one I tweaked the caption, I tweaked the description, I tweaked the hashtag. Yes, I changed some things, added some new hashtag. I also work on the tags as well. We have hashtags and we have tags as well. So I also added some things on that tag yourself. You can check my video on how to optimize your video. You see those stuffs I'm talking about, all right? The tags. So I also tweak these tags, so understand. So to make it go more viral. Now, why did this video have lesser views other than the other one, but still have higher subscribers? The answer is the video wasn't pushed to much audience. What helped the video was because people were sharing the video. So you see, the other one will have 90 shares, the one that got 84 subscribers, but this one will have 218 shares. So because of this, that was why people continue to like those who were seeing the videos, continue to like the video, and continue to subscribe and even comment on the video. So if you want to go viral, guys, don't just post and go out. Don't just post and relax. Okay, post your video, then come back and watch your video how it's going, all right, so that you know when to tweak, you know when to add some things, you know when to remove anything. That's how you grow. You don't just grow by just posting and going offline. No, you post by being intentional about your growth, being intentional. Don't give up, guys. Let's keep pushing.